In this week's Fresh Produce market overview, we see that onion prices are currently 180% higher than a year ago, while most fruit prices gained support the last week. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and this is the 13 September 2022 Fresh Produce Market Outlook. To get the latest information every week, you can follow us on YouTube by clicking the subscribe button. We also have popular WhatsApp groups where we share extra information every week. You can find the link to these groups on our Facebook page. In the latest economic news, there is still good demand for the dollar due to the energy crisis in Europe and higher interest rates, with the rand remaining on a weaker level at 17.27 rand per US dollar. High interest rates and a possible global recession have limited demand for Brent crude oil, with the latest price falling to $92 per barrel the past week. Last week, however, the national average potato price increased due to higher demand, with the latest price currently on 41.37 rand per 10 kilogram bag, which is 50% lower than last year the same time. The average Class 1 price increased to 43.91 rand, while the Class 1 large medium mondial price decreased to 45 rand per 10 kilogram bag on the Nile.ag platform. We are expecting lower prices this week again due to low demand, but prices to tick upward over the next 2 months as volumes can also come down over that period. Tomato prices increased by 5% the past week to 13.21 rand per kilogram due to lower volumes the past week. The Class 1 price also increased to 13.89 rand. We can expect tomato prices to decrease over the coming week due to lower expected demand, but possibly stay on a high level during September and October due to limited supplies to the markets. Carrot prices increased by 10% to 3.81 rand due to higher demand and 9% lower volumes reported. The Class 1 price also increased to 4.04 rand, with the Class 1 large price increasing to 52 rand per 10 kilogram bag on Nile.ag. It is expected that the price can decrease this week due to limited demand and then stay on a low level at least until November due to higher supplies expected over this period. The latest onion price increased by 25% the past week to 8.38 rand per kilogram. To put this into perspective, last year the same time this price traded on 2.99 rand, and with the current price 180% higher. The Class 1 price also increased, trading on 8.62 rand last week. The Class 1 large medium white onion price increased to 100 rand per 10 kilogram bag on Nile.ag. This price increase was especially seen with white and brown onion varieties now trading at 8.44 rand and 8.32 rand respectively. Overall, we have seen 17% lower volumes reported on the markets compared to last year the same time. Looking at other vegetable prices, the latest cabbage price increased to 3.27 rand, garlic prices decreased to 52.87 rand, spinach prices decreased to 2.69 rand, while the latest sweet potato price decreased to 2.78 rand last week. Pepper prices decreased by 9% to 24.25 rand per kilogram, which is still 132% higher than last year the same time. And we're expecting most of these fruit prices to come under pressure over the coming week due to limited demand. This section was brought to you by Nile.ag. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification and traceability. Go check out their website now at Nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his excellent team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. As expected last week, most fruit prices gained some momentum over the past week due to higher demand. The warmer weather can also mean a slight shift in demand towards the fruit markets. The banana price increased to 5.21 rand, while the Class 1 price increased to 5.58 rand. Class 1 large hand price increased to 130 rand per 18 kilogram box on Nile.ag. Although we can see higher prices towards the end of the year, a low expected demand this week can result in slightly lower prices. Apple prices increased to R7.40 last week, with the Class 1 price on R7.87. The pear price, however, decreased to R7.72, with the Class 1 price lower on R8.20. Apple and pear prices are expected to trend upwards for the rest of the year. The average orange price increased by 10% the past week, bringing some relief to producers that's currently very under pressure, trading on R2.75, while the Class 1 price increased to R3.01 per kilogram. We can only expect significantly higher prices in November again, when local production levels are expected to decrease as well. The latest lemon price increased to R3.31 last week. Avo prices increased by 13% to R12.93, which is still 37% lower than a year ago, while the latest Class 1 Avo price decreased to R13.83. We're still expecting prices to trend upwards for the rest of the year, most likely remaining lower than previous years. Table grape prices increased to R72.32, while the latest pineapple price increased to R7.46 per kilogram. The latest blueberry price increased to R58.43 per kilogram. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag and Halfway Toyota. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching.